In the previous video, we learned how to create backup jobs. In this video, we will learn how to restore from those backups. There are many restore options that are available as well to restore from backup in the vSphere data protection appliance, and we are going to cover those options as well. We are back at the vSphere web client again, and we are looking at the vSphere data protection appliance running at headquarters. In the previous videos, we had backed up the Ubuntu 14.04 long-term support pub2 machine, and as you can see from the restore tab, it is available to be restored. So let's go through the process of restoring a backup job. So I select this and then I expand it to find out the exact backup that I'll be using, and I select that backup and I click on restore, and I have to verify everything. Yes, that's the last backup of that virtual machine. It's the one and only actually. So what I'm going to do is agree to that and say next. So now I have the option of restoring to the original location, or I could restore somewhere else. So let's uncheck this. And what happens now is that you have the option of a new virtual machine name, and what we're going to do is we're going to call it packed pub3 from backup, so that it's very clear. And we have right now the same data center that's running on our host 201. We can click on choose and go through this. So that's the vCenter 220, that's at headquarters. It's the data center there. That data center has two different hosts there. So we can recover to a different host. So let's try and do that. I'm going to recover to host 200. Do that. And here we go. So we are going to recover new name to a different host. Let's look at the advanced options. We have the data stores there, and we are going to not power on the machine after it is restored. So I click on next. So one new virtual machine will be restored and one new will be created, and I click on finish, and it tells me the restore was successfully initiated. So here we see that the VDP restore job is running right now, and the snapshot has been completed and the restore job has commenced. So we are going to pause until this is complete. We can see that the VDP restore job is now complete and the snapshotting has been kind of undone. So here we have the process complete. We are now looking at the vCenter server at headquarters, related objects, virtual machines, and we can see here that the Ubuntu machine packed pub3 from backup has been restored. We had specified that it be kept powered off, so it is still powered off. There is an alert for this that we can take a look at, but basically the process is complete. We go in there, we look at the summary, and of course there will be a virtual machine MAC conflict because we're running in that same vCenter server. We simply copied or restored from backup the virtual machine to a different host in the same vCenter server, and so obviously this would be an issue if we started it up the way it is. So we need to make sure that before starting it up we take care of the situation. Obviously if you're doing a restore like this within the same vCenter, you would probably go back and delete the original machine, because there's no reason to do a restore like this and keep the old machine up and running. In the next video, we will learn how to manage replicated backups. These are, in my opinion, some of the most powerful capabilities that the vSphere data protection appliance has, and I look forward to seeing you on that video.